I am here to introduce you today the RYOBI power washer for those such as myself that we don't know how to use or ever use one. Here, this unit that I have is the 3100 PSI, 2.5 gallons of water per minute. It is a wonderful little machine that is also come with a Honda engine. Now, if you want no trouble with your engines, you better get an Honda engine and it will be wonderful. This one also brings the 5 nozzles contained within one, and you have the 40, 25, and 0 types of pressure water that you may use, and 2 for soap, which I find is pretty handy. What I'm going to be doing now is putting my water on and clean those steps that I got back there, and I'll show you then what we got as a result. Let's assemble it. Raise the handle, install house storage and trigger handle holder, connect the high pressure hose to the pump, connect your water garden hose, connect the spray wand to trigger handle, connect the high pressure hose to the trigger handle, add oil, add fuel, on off to on position, turn fuel to on position, chuck lever to start, pull starter grip, and rope to start.